Hello, for today 20 sentences. Have you ever go to Machu Picchu? Have you ever played the guitar? Have you ever take over 1,000 pictures just in one day? Have you ever met a famous star? Have you ever done exercise at the beach? Have you ever gone skiing? Have you ever ridden a motorcycle? Have you ever drank tequila? Have you ever driven a car? Have you ever read Harry Potter? Have you ever found money on the street? Have you ever run a marathon? Have you ever made tacos at home? Have you ever worked over 15 hours in your office? Have you ever walked the Great Wall of China? Have you had an iPhone before? Have you ever swam with dolphins? Have you ever fallen asleep on your laptop? Have you ever lost your wallet? Thank you.